Somewhere in your bank statement right now, there is at least one subscription you completely forgot you signed up for. Maybe a streaming service from a free trial that converted automatically. Maybe an app you used enthusiastically for 2 weeks 6 months ago. So, maybe a monthly box that felt exciting and now just arrives and sits unopened. The average person pays for 4 subscriptions they have forgotten about. And what I want you to understand clearly is this. That is not money you are choosing to spend. That is money quietly leaving your account every month with zero conscious participation from you. Today, we find all of it. Subscription creep is one of the most insidious budget leaks in modern financial life. It happens gradually, one charge at a time, each one small enough to feel inconsequential on its own. $9 here, $12 there, $15 for something you cannot quite remember signing up for. Individually, none of these feel significant. Together, they can easily add up to $100 or more leaving your account every month, money you are technically spending but not consciously choosing. The subscription audit is how you take back that choice. Step 1 is building the complete list because you cannot evaluate what you cannot see. There are 4 places to look, and you want all 4 because subscriptions hide in surprising places. First, your bank and credit card statements. Pull up the last 2 to 3 months and go line by line. You are looking for anything that repeats. Same company, same amount, or close to it, similar dates. Write everyone down. Second, your email inbox. Search for the words subscription, renewal, billing, and receipt. You are looking for confirmation emails from services you may have signed up for and forgotten entirely. This often surfaces annual subscriptions that do not appear every month on your statement. Third, your App Store. Both Apple and Google have a subscriptions section buried in account settings. Most people have never looked at it. Go find it. The list there is almost always genuinely surprising. Apps you downloaded, tried, stopped using, and never canceled, still billing you monthly. Fourth, your email again, this time searching for your name combined with the word unsubscribe. Services are legally required to include this in billing communications, and searching for it often surfaces subscriptions that slipped through the other 3 searches. Most people find between 8 and 15 recurring charges in this process. Some find considerably more. Now that you can see everything, you need a simple framework for evaluating each charge, because the goal is not to cancel everything. The goal is to cancel what is not serving you while keeping what genuinely adds value. The framework has 3 buckets: keep, pause, and cut. Keep is for anything you actively used in the last 30 days and would genuinely notice and miss if it disappeared tomorrow. Your primary streaming service. The music subscription you use every day. Software you use for work. Keep these clearly and without guilt. Pause is for anything you are not currently using but believe you will use again soon, or for services that offer a pause option. Some subscriptions are genuinely seasonal. Some you have drifted from but would re-engage with. Pause rather than cancel if you are uncertain. Cut is for anything you have not used in 30 days and cannot name a specific upcoming reason you will. Do not let sentiment or sunk cost keep you paying for something not in your life anymore. The money already spent is gone whether you continue paying or not. The only question is whether the ongoing payment makes sense going forward. For the cuts, do it now while you are engaged with this process, not after the video. The reason most subscriptions never get canceled is that people intend to do it and then the intention dissolves into daily busyness. The subscription audit is not a one-time event. Subscriptions accumulate over time because signing up is effortless and canceling requires deliberate action you always plan to take later. The only way to stay ahead of this is a quarterly habit. 15 minutes every 3 months to catch what has crept in and reevaluate what has changed. Here is how to make it actually happen. Put it in your calendar right now. Pick any date in the next 3 months and block 15 minutes labeled subscription check-in. Make it recurring so it appears every quarter automatically. When the reminder arrives, you run through the same 4 searches and the same keep, pause, cut evaluation. The cumulative impact of this quarterly habit is significant. Most people who implement it consistently find between $50 and $200 per month in subscription spending they were not consciously making. Annualized, that is between $600 and $2,400, without changing anything about your actual lifestyle. Just about what you are paying for deliberately versus what has accumulated by default. That distinction, conscious spending versus default spending, is one of the most important in personal finance. Subscriptions are where default spending hides most effectively in plain sight. The subscription audit is one of the fastest, most concrete financial wins available. No new habits required, no discipline, no sacrifice of anything you actually want. Just 15 minutes to find what crept in and remove what is not earning its place.